nowadays we are speaking in Hindi also, and our Prime Minister is openly promoting the culture and heritage of India. Right? So we should be proud on our culture and heritage. Right? We should not hesitate. Then next one is citizen. So this is the next building block. We all are the citizens. We should be proud on ourselves that we are Indians. And we are the part of India which is growing and going to become a developed country. Or the Viksit Bharat. If we want to be confident, if we want to be having proud on ourselves, we want to be able to achieve the Viksit Bharat mission. Right? So we are the citizens who need to be proud on ourselves and we should be confident. Then next is psychology. We need to change our psychology basically. To cover this topic, I will go on next slide. There you will be seeing in detail. The first one is personal excellence aligned with national interest. So we should be very much personally interested in nationalism, that we are the Indian. We are from the Indian, or we are from the India nation. So we personally should be excellent, aligned with the nation interest. Right? Second one thing, we need to minimize and essentially to rationalize our consumption and avoid the wastage. We should not have any rational differences between us. Then share community functional. Nowadays, or so far, whatever the degree or education we people were doing, that was the ceremonial that I have done this degree, right? But we should be on ground and we need to work on ground reality, and basis on that only we will be able to achieve the Viksit Bharat mission. Symbolism to sustain real change. We should not be symbolic. We need to work on reality. Then problem centric to opportunity centric. So that will help us for the exponential growth. We need to centralize on the opportunities like we did in duration of COVID. During the COVID, you could see we have taken that opportunity and created the vaccine, and that we have shared with a lot of countries also worldwide. Right? That was the opportunity for us to prove ourselves. Even though it was the pandemic, but during this pandemic also, we have seen that opportunity and we have served the nations. Then, apna army to Karl army, very important. So far in India, what happens whenever anyone is taking the interview, they think, this is our man, ये हमारा आदमी, इसको select कर लो. It should not be there. We need to select the eligible peoples, the Kabil persons. जो लोग काबिल हैं, एक्चुअल में जो नॉलेज रखते हैं, and whoever can serve the nation and can help the nation in the Viksit Bharat mission, we need to select them, right? Yes man to the most competent person we need to select actually. Whoever is doing yes, we should not select them. We need to select the person whoever are competitive, right? Then self-service to selfless service. We people should not work for self. We need to serve the selfless, and we need to keep the nation first. So these are the main things in psychology which we need to change actually. From pulling down others to helping others. We should not pull the legs of others. We need to help them. We need to give them the help. Right? It is in giving that we receive, and then reactive to proactive. So we should be very responsive, right? And then India is our and we are for India. That should be our motto. Okay. So far we discuss about religion, culture and heritage, citizen and psychology. Then what are the other building blocks we are having? Governance. So governance nowadays, you know, we are having the full support of our governance. We have everything available online nowadays, and that is in reach of each and everyone. Just a click away, right? So if we are getting the full support of governance for Viksit Bharat mission or developed country, then we need to take this opportunity, right? Then environment and sustainability. So as we discuss about sustainability, that once our nation will be sustainable or self-sufficient, that is the environment